Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Middle Eastern side dish, which is Baba Ganoush, and don't confuse it with mtabbal because a lot of people do. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. First we need some veggies: half a bell pepper, 1 tomato, half a lemon, and 1 big clove of garlic. You can use 2 small ones if you don't have big one. And all the veggies are chopped now. All I'm gonna do is squeeze the lemon on the crushed garlic. And this is the star of the show. This is 1 aubergine baked in a preheated oven until it's soft or looks a bit burned like this. And all I'm gonna do now is to peel the skin off, and it's so easy actually, although it's a bit messy, but it's alright. Here is the aubergine. Grab a fork and smash it. And it should look something like this at the end. Now add the other ingredients, the tomato and the bell pepper. And finally the lemon juice and the garlic. Pinch of salt. And mix everything together. And it's done. Just transfer the mixture to a plate and just spread it a little bit, give it a bit of shape. This is parsley, put it in the center. And this is the exciting part actually. This is walnut. I like to sprinkle a little bit on top. Actually, it suits Baba Ganoush a lot and I really love it. Add a drizzle of olive oil, and look at this, guys. It is epic. It looks fantastic. Really enjoyed filming this, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and speak to you very soon. Bye.